Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. I welcome you all in today's video. So today we are gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. The app we are gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. So you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So let me take this chance to welcome all of you on this channel, and on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. You search for RJC Nitro VPN. So among the presented, you pick this one. So you take note of this app name, you take note of the app icon, and after that, you install this app on your device. So this app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and also this app will enhance your connection when you are online. So to set up the app, you open the app. So when you reach in the app's interface, you'll be required to have a running internet, because the app will automatically update to the latest version in case your internet is working very well, and you'll be not required to click anywhere to update. So the app will do the rest for you. Simply connect to the internet and open the app, and after opening this app, you are required to continue with the settings. First of all, pick a server which you prefer. So you pick any of the presented servers. So you pick a UDP server. UDP servers are super fast, and in case you need to change, you can also change by tapping on this search button. You pick any of the server you want, but for today's guide, please you pick a UDP server. And after that, you are required to pick a network or a connection method. So you can pick the UDP mode, or if UDP is not working in your country, you tap here, then in the search bar you can search for your country name. So for today's video, we are gonna use UDP. So you can search for your country name in case UDP is not working for you. So in case UDP is working in your country, you can pick any of the presented UDP connection methods, and then after that, you are required to insert a super fast and a secure connection. So UDP is super fast and secure when you are using the internet. So you tap on this start button and you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and after giving the app a few seconds, you can see that the app is right now connected, and right now our connection is secured. And that's how we set up RJC Nitro VPN with all country UDP settings to achieve a super fast and a stable connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.